Helpful tips about how to make money online that are simple to follow. Have you ever wondered how people can make money online? Being able to make money by sitting at your computer at home seems too good to be true. However, it is very possible, and there are wonderful opportunities out there. Watch this video to learn more about options that are available to you. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. You may need to identify yourself before you can work online. A lot of places ask for your identification prior to working for them. If you lack digital versions of your identification, get them before you apply. Remember to create a budget before you start to work online. You need to know what your overhead will be it the cost of your computer and internet connection if your work will be completely totally virtually, or any supplies you need if your plan is to sell items online. Making money online is not that complicated. More and more people are getting into it because it liberates them from a 9-to-5 job. This video offers a few suggestions that you can consider, but more is out there. Continue to learn about opportunities as you can find the perfect business to get into. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.